Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Thank you for simply watching Aguilar. I want to first of all thank you guys for watching episode 1 of our restoration project. I know it may not be a big deal for many of the great YouTubers out there, but for the first 2 weeks of the episode being on YouTube, we got over 500 views. That's something beyond me. I've never really achieved that, but thanks to you guys for watching. Hopefully the content was a little bit entertaining, right? At the end of the day, we just want to entertain you guys. Thank you guys for watching. This is episode 2, and we just do a quick clean of the truck, take out a few things on the inside, and so just sit back, relax, and enjoy. And I want to again thank you guys all for watching and tuning in, and we'll have a little bit of comments at the end, but thanks a lot. Appreciate it. All right, guys, how's it going? So here we are. We're going to try to clean it up a little bit, and instead of sweeping it all up, I figure I'll take off the actual seat first and see what we discover underneath, right? So I believe that we have a 13mm bolt there that we're going to take off, so let's go ahead and take a look. There, I already broke it, busted it open. That's one. And let's see if just the one on the other side. That's right here. I don't know if it's only those two or if there's more. Let's see, let's take this guy out. Those two seem too easy for it to be everything. Oh, music. There's the other seat belt that, who needs it? Oh, I'm already making money! Woo! So let's see where else this is bolted. There is one more bolt.
Oh, I can see the rust.
I think it's also another 13. Take that one over there. Let me try that one again. I think that's going to be. Oh, that's it. So I don't know if it's better going that way or this way. Take out the seatbelt connectors. So we have to take these off, guys. Look, right here, these things have to go down into the abyss of the seats.
What is that?
We'll find out together.
Pliers. Oh, I found money! Cha-ching, cha-ching, money! More money! More money over there! Money over there. So there's a coin over there, a penny right here, and another $1 over there.
Ouch.
And then there's the quarter right there.
Alright, so I got it now. You see, this could be a one-man job because my camera operator is focusing and not just losing the camera second. So we got some money here. And just talk about money.
I'm giving it to you. There's one over there. There's a penny over there. We already got some money.
We're already in the positive. Look at this, guys.
We can probably pay for everything this car is gonna need.
Everything this car needs? It might need more than this. Let's see. How much do we got?
So
50,
60, 70, 80, 90, 95.
95. You know what? This truck is a 1994. Almost. Almost. Hey, what do we have here? So,
Pliers, I'm guessing.
tool. Alright, we gotta do what we can to clean this up. This looks like it goes on there for the seatbelt. This
More like $1 something. Just found
another nickel?
Yes,
$1! Exactly! Yes!
The more money, the better.
This truck is paying off.
We got it for free. We've already earned $1 just by looking.
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and sweep this up and vacuum. Be right back. We're going to clean it a little bit from the inside. Let's go ahead and take a look. Hope it doesn't mess up anything. So one of my biggest concerns here as I was pressure washing the inside of the truck cab was, well, basically if I was to wet something that should not be getting wet. I mean, I just went for it, given the fact that, you know, it's a 94. There's not too much technology inside here. I think I did see a speaker wire or two. and it looked like there was some sort of sensor connector there, but when I took out the bench, it wasn't really connected to anything. So I'm assuming it was probably for a different model that they had that connector there. Maybe something to do with the seatbelt warning or the actual, I don't know. Maybe I have no idea. Anyhow, I left it alone, and I just pressure washed. As you can see, some of it splashed onto the door panel, and we try to clean that up. It cleaned up pretty well. The pressure washer did good, and then I just went for it right there on the black rubber-ish mat. And I figured, hey, I guess that's what it's for, right? So I just washed it, and then I decided to drive down my driveway, hopefully to get the water out. And you're going to see the truck at the bottom of the driveway now. That's going to be interesting. So here I am putting the floor mat out to dry on the side of the truck bed, thinking that I was going to reuse it. Yeah, no, that's not going to happen. All right, hope you like jamming to that music. Well, anyhow, so right here, as you can tell, I am trying to clean this wonderfully made 100% fake plastic bench that this Ford Ranger had. And I used some all-purpose cleaner and of course the drill brush to try to clean it. I mean, I was not really expecting any miracles as far as cleaning was concerned. I just wanted to take off the top layers of grease that, oh look, see, there's the custom made hand sanitizer compartment for the seat. Even in its day, it was thinking in advance for any potential situation, right? Anyhow, like I said, I wanted to clean it well enough so that when I got in it the next day for work, it wouldn't really stain my pants. because nobody wants to get to work with stained, truck bench pants, because that would be weird. But anyhow, here I'm trying to pull these wires and coils, trying to adjust them, because there's a saggy bottom at the bench, and I think nobody really nobody likes saggy bottoms. But I don't have a saggy bottom. The bench was saggy at the bottom, and I tried anyhow. It didn't work, so I just quickly kind of gave up because some of them were busted. So all I did was pick up the bench and I put it back in its place, same 4 bolts. And the only thing that I needed to do was to actually squeeze the seatbelt back between the fold of the actual bench. And that was it. Bench was in, good to go, ready to go and just drive around, I suppose. All right, guys. So again, thanks for watching, tuning in for Simply Watching Aguilar. Hopefully it was good. I tried, And the next episode, we're going to do a little bit more work to the truck. So again, thank you guys for tuning in. If you guys are interested in seeing what it is that I use, the equipment that I use, the microphone, the cameras, even those little rivet removers that I have, I put a description down below for the Amazon link if you want to check them out. Maybe you want to buy them. If you like the microphone that I'm using, either for my lavalier mic or my voice over mic, that'll all be in the description below. So thank you guys once again. Appreciate it. See you on the next one. God bless, and take care of yourself and each other. Okay, thanks again.
Put the camera down.
Yeah, point to the mat. Just scrub it.
What? That's crazy. No way. Nuh-uh. You just did that.
All right, so these are the floor mats. 1, 2, and the steering wheel cover. Let's see if you can tell which one I cleaned. Yeah. Look, the stuff comes off practically on its own. Watch. Look at that. Amazing.